Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how you can add another Instagram account on your device, and you can actually have multiple Instagram account on the same device. Now I'll show you how you can add another Instagram account on your device. Now in this case we will be using Android, and you can also use iOS if you have iOS, but for this video I'll use Android. Now for you to add another Instagram account, you will click the bottom right corner here, and then you will go to these three lines that are at the top right corner. You will click them, and then you will click settings and privacy. Now it will bring you on this page. You will scroll down, and you will see add account. Now you will click add account. Now because you want to add another brand new account to our existing Instagram account, you will click new account. Now you can choose the username that we'll be using for our new Instagram account. Let's choose a name. Let's say Felix 57. Now these are the options of the available usernames. Now we will let's choose the first one, and we will click next. Now for this we will create a new password for our Instagram account. And then we will click complete sign up. Now it is signing us up for the new Instagram account. There we go. Now this suggestion for Facebook, you can skip it. Now in this option you can choose your Instagram account to be private or public. Now for this case I will choose public, because I want anytime that I post, I want the public, anyone can see my photo and my videos. Now I will choose public and click next, and add profile. You can add your profile picture, but for this video I will skip. And there we go, our new Instagram account has been created. Now you can go to profile and check it, and that's how you can add another Instagram account to your device. Now if you found this video helpful, if it has worked for you, please subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.